Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I've decided to share with you a short clip from a 69 minutes video that I just recorded for my subscribers. One clip focuses on the Forex pair and the other on well-known stock, Intel Corporation. I'll be giving more details about my service. If you're interested at the end of the clip, stay on and I'll talk to you later. Hope you enjoy the clip. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Just a few general comments. I think the stock market and commodities, energy are entering now a correction that might last several weeks. And I'm saying a correction. I don't think that's the beginning of a huge slump. I think the trend is still higher. The momentum is still good. I am fairly bullish. I will indicate in this video several levels that must not be broken for me to stay bullish. I also have very interesting chart in this video that I'm going to share with you that I think stands a good chance of giving us a roadmap for the next 9 to 12 months. I'm really excited about it. It's not just one chart. It is 2 or 3 charts that resemble each other so much, and they come from different areas, and by looking so much the same, they actually confirm the message about what is likely to unfold in the next 9 to 12 months. And now I'll begin with the charts themselves. I have here the Euro-US dollar currency pair, the dollar index, Australian dollar, US dollar, the Euro British pound, spot silver, spot gold, Euro bond, long yields of the UK, the UST bond, TLT, heating oil, that's a continuous chart, the TSX, the Canadian mining index, SPX, the Dow Transportation Index, the DAX, the Hang Seng, and I have 2 stocks worth watching. One is Cameco and the other is Intel Corporation. Euro British pound, and I mentioned on many occasions that's the daily going back into November. This is a crucial line. If it runs above, we have a huge bull market in the euro against the pound. It stays under, it crashes through this level. The bear has a firm grip, and we are likely looking a lot lower. So for now, that appears to be the case. Although with me calling for the euro to continue higher several weeks down the road, you wonder how that's going to sit. But I'm not going to try to solve that ahead of time. I'm just looking at what's going on here, and I'm getting the signals, and I'm trying to help you here with the short term. I think the probabilities are shifting that this market is actually going to head towards 80 and break it. Let me show you here. Okay, so that could turn into an ABC. That begins to look more and more like it. The other option, of course, that this is a 1-2-1-2. This is still possible, but as I said, if we get the scenario that I mapped out here a few days ago with A, B, C, and then a crash down, forget it. This is a clear ABC. This one is going definitely to 80 at the very least. Let me show you the 60 minutes. Also tracing out a fairly clear pattern here. We had a head and shoulders here, broke down, stayed under the neckline. With this being 1, 2, 3, 4, best interpretation for now. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiny finished. I think the run that began from here is over with giving us 5 waves clear, and I'm looking for that. The rebound started. As you can see, we have already 1 rebound. Stayed under the channel, and that is not terribly encouraging. The thing is that if it starts doing here a small triangle, what will happen is that this is 1, 2, that could turn into another 1, 2. We have here third wave. Third wave, that's a force continuing down. So in fact, it could be that this is developing a much more bearish scenario that I am accounting for in this wave count. So be open-minded to that. Again, that could turn into a 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a 3. Small triangle here, diving under 84.50. You know, we are looking at a much more bearish situation that is going to probably continue straight to 80. Intel owns 80% of the microprocessors market. Intel is an American company, but forget it. It's not an American company. Intel is a global company. Intel is priced in US dollars, forget it. Intel is priced in a multi-currency basket. Um, that is the truth. Intel's income comes from all over the world. Intel is not a US focused company, and as such, the boom that we are seeing in the rest of the world is Intel is going to get a fair share, and I think it's a mistake to try to focus too much on the US market and then label all those global companies, and not, I repeat, these are global companies: Walmart, Exxon, Intel, Microsoft, plenty of other those they are global companies. They are quoted in the US, they are part of the Dow, but these companies are they belong family. In many cases, sometimes even more than 50% of the earnings come from outside the US. So I think it's a mistake to try to label them as a US company in trouble with the US market. You know, the US market, the economy is not doing very well, therefore that stock has a dim future. No, I don't subscribe to that. And sorry, in the case of Intel, what we are seeing here, I think that there is a potential for an absolute explosion in the price of Intel. I am investing in this stock, and I will be definitely glad to buy more if I get a correction here, whatever. But for now, what I see here on the weekly scale, you can see this massive head and shoulders. You can see this massive 5 legs up. There is no question this is 5 legs up here. Do you see that? I think we are dealing here with a momentous situation here. This is still under the neckline, the inverse head and shoulders. The day it breaks above 24, it begins to consolidate here. If it consolidates at all, it might just run straight up. That will be maybe the time that sorry. That might be the time that quite a lot of people will take note of what's happening here with Intel, and then it will start zooming up. This is my belief about this stock. I'm going to go to the daily now. Here you are. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an A. That's a B. That's a C. Intel is running up, and Intel closed up on Friday, while most of the stocks on my screen were red. Intel kept throughout the session staying in positive territory, and the pattern already on Thursday was very bullish, and let's go and see it in detail. Hello again. If you're interested to have some further information about my service, my website, all you have to do is click home on the page at which you are, and that is going to take you to the home page. That is the home page of my website. I have a page on Twitter. I make comments from time to time. You can join. It's open to the public. On the home page, there are a few links, there are a few articles that I wrote here, right here. You can take a look. In addition, there are also under the resources section here, you can see what other subscribers say about my service. There is also a comment here right in front of a guy who is a trader. He's involved in the markets day in, day out. I often have contacts with him, and he's an affiliate program that I would love you to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. I accept people who are even not subscribers, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me. I would love to have more affiliates helping me to promote the website. Links to my videos speaks for itself. I do have a new channel on YouTube, which I will talk about in a minute. R.N. Elliott, that's where you can download a full-scale book about this remarkable man. Very useful book. I suggest, if you like to learn more, this is the thing to do. Go through this link, follow the explanations, download the book, read it 2-3 times. You will see you will make a lot of progress. Private policy terms of use, pretty standard. Why join? A few comments I put forward, why I think I can help, in which way I can help, etc. Subscribe here, that's where you take concrete action. Whether you decide to subscribe to the full product, which is fairly intensive. It is covering the markets every day. Every day I record, sometimes 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, it depends. So you do need the time to watch the videos, to go through the thinking, and to be able to absorb and to refer to the charts. I also send a complete set of charts, so it does take a bit of time, but you may not have to cover. If you're interested only in 2 or 3 markets, you don't have to, of course, go through the whole exercise. You can pick up the markets that you like and focus on them, whether it's a stock market or the forex or whatever, and you can nevertheless have an update, daily update. I'm also open to receive some requests. Depending on the workload, my daily workload, I will accept a request. If there is a certain stock or market that you are invested or very interested in, I will take a look at it and do my best to include it in the daily video. That is for the full product. I do have a weekend product that is priced substantially lower, and nevertheless you get quite good value if you are a guy that you don't have a lot of time during the week, but you nevertheless want to have once a week a comprehensive outlook, a comprehensive analysis of what happened this past week, what's likely to happen in the coming week, etc. I often do a long-term analysis on the weekend. That is priced only at 29 euros per month. You have access to the 4 videos, 4 weekends, plus all the charts. And about that, you will have to go to a different website. I have some information here, but if you like to learn more about it, look what you have to do. Go to YouTube, key in EW Practitioner in one word, EW Practitioner. That's my YouTube, my new YouTube channel, and you can also subscribe to this channel. But if you like to learn more about a weekend product, just pick up the clip that really deals with the same name, EW Practitioner. Go through that. That will explain to you everything you need to know about this product. And let me see, I've got it. That's how the videos look, how I lay them out in the new website. The weekend product got its own website. Okay, let's continue. Contact us if you have any question whatsoever. Get in touch with me. Tell a friend. Please do. I would like to have more visitors visiting, coming to see. If you think you have a positive opinion of what you see here, go ahead, spread the word. Downloads, that's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can have an idea what sort of work I do, how detailed it is. Recommended reading list, you will find a few links to books that I've read that I found very useful. In some cases you can actually download the full book, so do take a look. Frequently asked questions, this you must take a look at this if you decide to subscribe. You have the instructions how and where to find past charts, past videos, etc. Useful links speaks for itself, and that's about it. This past today I recorded a 69 minutes video, really comprehensive, with some very interesting insight about possible roadmap for quite a few months down the road. If you like to start a service and you don't like to plunge into the main product, maybe you don't think you have enough time, maybe it's too pricey for you, go ahead and try the weekend product and see after 1 month. It is really priced very democratically, and after 1 month you'll have an idea. After full 4 videos plus easily 250 charts, you will have an idea whether this thing can help you or not. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.